Hey everybody, welcome back to Karen Norwood Travel. My husband and I decided to go down to Kolomoki State Park and Seminole State Park on our way to Florida. So let's check it out. Kolomoki State Park is located in Blakely, Georgia, and they have a lot of fun things to do there: fishing, boating, swimming. They do have campgrounds, about 25 different sites. They have hiking trails, and they also have a hammock campsite, which I thought was really interesting. It appears to just be a tent site, but a lot of trees, so you can hang up some hammocks. One other interesting note about Kolomoki is it is close to a bunch of other state parks, but also close to Albany. So we decided to check out the Mounds. So we just took this little Temple Mound trail that's right by a parking lot. It doesn't take but a minute to get there, but it was really cool, and I wanted to show you guys how everything looked. I thought it was really interesting to add that the Kolomoki Mounds are historically significant because they're the oldest and largest woodland Indian site in the southeast. They also have a museum on site that has a lot of artifacts from those particular mounds, so you'll definitely want to check that out. So as I said earlier, we did stop by Seminole State Park, which is in Donaldsonville, Georgia. It is close to a bunch of other state parks that you may want to check out, as well as Tallahassee, Florida, and we did find a little bit of wildlife while we were there. This state park, I would definitely say, is flat. You can see everything for miles. It is on a 37,000 acre reservoir, which they do allow boating, fishing, and then they also say they have bird watching. They have canoeing. You can tube here as well as ski on the lake. And then they have a nature trail that kind of goes around the park. You'll also see that they have 14 cottages that surround the lake. It is absolutely beautiful. I mean, you are right on the water, and there is water access from all of the different little cottages. I did also want to tell y'all that they have over 50 tent and RV sites that most all of them have water access as far as to the lake. They also have water and electrical hookups and, you know, your picnic table and your little grills and everything. There's comfort stations that are close by, but they're pretty much, like I said, all on the lake, so you have water access. Hey, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and check out some of my other Karen Norwood travel videos about camping and budget camping.